Video today. I just saw my dog doing this trick with this ball. Watch. He almost got it. He has to lay down. Go over here. He's going to see really slow. Oh, you're not gonna do it, Brown? Have the ball. Can I have the ball? Can I have the ball, amigo? No. Oh, he has pain. Because he is a girl. She is a girl. There's meaties. Some meaties. Some meaties. What are you doing over there, Bernicia? My dog right there. See you. I'm gonna kick this ball so I can show you guys. My dog. I got scared. You got scared, Mama? You got scared, Tinkies? You got scared, my little chunk. Come on, chunk. Look at this little camera. Let's see. You see him? Can you guys see him? I don't know. Brahma. He was such a thing. But we're a big house, so big. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You guys have 40 subscribers. So subs. What is he doing? What is he doing now? What are you doing? Yeah, there's all. No, he doesn't want to get it. Bye guys, see you later. Don't forget.